Kashmiri Tantra Massage originated in ancient India in the temples. My intention through giving Kashmiri Tantra Massage workshop is to bring the dignity and pride of this one of the most exquisite nectar of Tantra available for us. I want to introduce as many people as possible to the sacredness and divinity of this massage so that you become the ambassador of Tantra Massage. In this workshop of Kashmiri Tantra Massage, you will be invited to experience a full body massage. In that there are 4 phases and you will experience these 4 energies in you as a giver and as a receiver. So you will be in touch with your inner child, innocent child sensuality and sexuality. Further on, you will experience your sexuality as an adult. And this will be male, masculine side and feminine side. And finally, all these merge into your divineness, your Buddha nature, your godliness. So this massage will take you on a healing journey of these 4 stages. And it is a very, very soft, sensuous massage technique in which it's almost like a dance of energy. So if you feel called to become ambassador, the voice of this sacred massage technique, then come and join me on this massage technique. See you there.